Alright, let's do a quick update on Bonfida. So since yesterday, basically the same story. We were somewhat around about here, the 233, maybe somewhere, between this wick somewhere. But we basically said, obviously my next target is down here at 188. It does seem like we're approaching this very, very quickly. If we take a tool, you can see, we're only about 6% away from this. So what I'd be looking for now, if I do just come over to the total crypto market cap, if you're wondering why I'm looking at the total crypto market cap, why I'm doing a Bonfida video, it is because all of the altcoins and Bitcoin included will follow the total crypto market cap. As you can see, total crypto market cap has been downtrending since the 10th of October. If we come over to Bonfida, when has this been downtrending? Since the 3rd of November. So it's very, very correlated. The downtrend started about a month early on the total crypto market cap. This coin rallied. I imagine this was probably listed on an exchange because we had a huge amount of volume coming in. But basically the trend is the same. If the total crypto market cap is dumping, that means Bitcoin is most likely dumping, at which point Bonfida will be following it. So just quickly on the total crypto market cap, if we do zoom out, you can see that we are below the 618 here at 1.84 trillion. If we do zoom in, you can see we broke below it very strongly, back tested it, and we've been rejected from it. So in my opinion, now is not the time to accumulate any altcoins, buy any altcoins. I would be looking for lower prices. If you are a Bonfida fan and you are hoping for a little bit of hopium in this video, keep an eye on this 618, not the 618, sorry, we can get rid of that as we have broken through it. So forget about the 618, the 786 is the next target that I outlined at 189 down here. Like I said, if you are a strong Bonfida fan, then I would really be hoping for a bounce on the 189. If we did lose 189, then well, the next Fibonacci target would be here at the 1.618, but you can see that we do have some confluence down kind of near the bottom of this trend line with the previous low that we've got down here. So that would really be your best case scenario, and even from this drop you could see another 28% drop if we did come down to the 1.618, which is what this Fibonacci retracement is predicting. You can see that from that breakdown it would be a 46% drop. From where we are now, it is a 49% drop. So all in all, we are still above this big red trend line. If we do zoom in, you can see that we have been downtrending for a very long time. We have finally broken above it, but obviously do bear in mind as well, we are downtrending very strongly. There's no volume coming in for this coin. RSI is dropping like a rock. What else do we have here? We're below the 200-day moving average. So all in all, like the only really bullish thing that I see is that we've broken above this trend line, but this is quite a steep trend line. So I mean, it was bound to happen at one point. This may be a fake out before new lows. My original price target was down here at 177, and I believe we made that when we came all the way up here, and I said it might be likely that we come back test it before making a decision. This was obviously that before we knew that all of the cryptos, including the total crypto market cap, was going to take an absolute nosedive. So yeah, I mean, I didn't really see that coming, but we move. So yeah, like I said, I mean, don't want to make this video too long because there's not too much going on. Keep an eye on 189. If we do lose that, coming all the way down to 134, potentially even all the way down to 1, which is basically slicing your money in half. It's basically a 50% drop from where we are now. So yeah, just to finish it off as well, keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is above the 200-day moving average right now, and it does look fairly strong. So if the BTC dominance does something like this, this is really a rough draft. I'm not saying I do believe that we would pump this high. Yeah, I honestly don't think we would pump this high, honestly, but this is just kind of a rough draft to let you know that I do believe that we're going to be bullish on the Bitcoin dominance while we are above the 200-day. And if you don't know why that's important, the Bitcoin dominance is the total percent of the market cap that Bitcoin makes up for. So as you can imagine, if the total crypto market cap is dumping, which means that there's less money in crypto as a whole, and the Bitcoin dominance is pumping while money is flowing out of Bitcoin, that means that money is flowing out of Bitcoin, but money is flowing out of altcoins extremely fast. So yeah, I would be very, very worried about holding really any altcoins right now. I mean, I think altcoins are going to get decimated against Bitcoin while we are above this 200 days. So yeah, keep an eye on 189. If we lose that, then, you know, we're going to get a rug to hell. That is a joke, you know, but I do believe that we would be coming down to somewhere like 133 at least. If we have a strong bounce on there, and, you know, we can take it from there. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Bonfida right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace out.